In my family, as I said, it's a very female dominated family. So we have had from Jawaharlal Nehru and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and Indira Gandhi to Narendra Modi to Swami Vivekananda, they have come to my house. So even currently, whoever is very prominent, Lata Mangeshkar has come, or Pandit Ravi Shankar. I get so many, M.S. Subbulakshmi, you name it, people have come. If you look at the number of very famous people who have come to my house, you will be shocked at how many have come. But my generation, because of generation being younger and gender being male, we were never called to meet any of these people. So sometimes I see in the paper that this guy had come to Kavadiyar Palace and I am in there only. I didn't even know. No? So I would feel.
What kind of restrictions are there?
It's like you don't count.
Discipline.
Not discipline. You're second class citizen. If you're male means you're. Yeah. If you're female, you're VIP. So a female who does not know even Sarigama has inaugurated 100 music festivals. While I am a musician and I have been singing now for so many years, I will be called to sing. I am happy for that. But to inaugurate a music festival means they need one of the female. So that has. So when I was a young person, I used to feel very sad and very angry also. Later I discovered it's not me or them personally. 300 years one tradition is happening. It is continuing. We have to be extra special and strong and clear-headed to break that pattern and be an individual. So I will tell one sad thing which happened. I am a very, very, very great admirer of cartoons, good cartoons. And one national treasure we had in Mumbai was R.K. Lakshman. So R.K. Lakshman cartoon, see now one event happens. So one event happens today and you draw a cartoon related to that event. It is topical. Next week people forget this event. If you read the cartoon, you won't understand anything. But R.K. Lakshman, what he drew in 1960 or 70, today also, it's completely relevant. It is timeless. So I am a big fan of R.K. Lakshman. So once in early 1990s, he had come to Trivandrum for 3 days and he wanted to pay respects to the Maharaja. So you have to fix an appointment through the palace office. So those days I had friends with whom I used to exchange letters, postal written letters. So I used to go every day to the office to see whether there is any mail for me. One day when I went there, one car was just going, and the palace secretary was saying, some cartoonist, he wants to see Maharaja and what. So when I heard cartoonist, I was like, hey, who is that? And then he says, so some cartoonist, he wants to see Maharaja, I don't think they'll be interested. Then he written Lakshman. So I said, Lakshman cartoonist here in Trivandrum. So I said, was he R.K.? I could not even imagine. It's like God appearing. You know, it can't be him, but they are R.K. Lakshman. Oh my God, he was here and he left. He gave because he wanted to get an appointment. They said, no, you can't see him. We'll let you know, and he left.
He came personally to take the appointment.
Yeah, exactly. So I didn't know where he was staying. Nothing. So I was like, oh my God, R.K. Lakshman is here, and came to my palace office and went off. So I was at home later at night around 7 o'clock, and the landline, there were 5 landlines at that time. One landline rang and I picked up the phone. We are calling from Mascot Hotel. I said, okay, Lakshman sir wants to speak to somebody in the palace. Hey, please connect him. I said, I am somebody here. So he spoke, and I have never been so insulted in my entire life. He was very, very angry. I mean, over the phone, I touch your feet, I beg forgiveness. Those are idiots who saw you. They don't know your value. I wish I had seen you because you are a national treasure. I didn't praise him without, I meant every word. And then at that time, he had just written, his brother R.K. Narayanan was a big writer, while he was a cartoonist. But at that point, he had just published a book. He had written a book called Tunnel of Time. And I had just read that. So it had just come out. So only a super fan would have read that by then. So I said, I'm such a big fan that I even read Tunnel of Time. So he went, oh, you read Tunnel of Time?
Okay,
So then he like,
written
okay,
down.
yeah. Then I mentioned some things. Then we had a very, very nice chat. We spoke for around 1.5 hours about cartoonists and other cartoonists and whatever. Then I said, I'll definitely speak to the Maharaja. And Maharaja was not in control of the other people would fix something and he,
That's the problem.
like that. So I said, I'll fix an appointment and let you know, Mascot Hotel, room number, whatever that's. Then I went to the senior generation and Maharaja was sweetheart, like such a sweet person you
Just
can't
like
imagine. No, he's very, very, very sweet. So I said, there's this man, yeah, what is cartoon? For them, painter, Raja Ravarma,
painter, because
but
Rama-
cartoon is like,
Rajavansam.
yeah, cartoon is not honorable or big like painting. So I said, he's so amazing. And at that time, we didn't have Times of India either in Trivandrum. So I used to buy books of his collections,
Okay.
not like appearing in paper every day.
Mhm.
So then finally they agreed. So I said, tomorrow evening, he's there for 3 days. So tomorrow evening, I have something else. So except tomorrow, day after or day after, please fix. Like, they fixed that day, tomorrow. I didn't see him. So he came to my house, sat and chatted with people who have no idea who he was.
Ayyo.
And he said, oh, in Mascot Hotel, we didn't get potatoes or something like that. He complained. He was generally in a not a happy mood. And he left. Then I was so sad. I was so sad that I could not meet him. Now I'm not so enamored by any celebrity. If somebody is famous means okay, they play tennis or they sing or write means that's a. It's like, oh, he sings so nice. I want to meet him. That feeling is not there at all. Completely gone.
Okay.
In any field. So I appreciate their art, but at that time I was only to 20.
Fascination with
Fascinated, and I was a fan. I was a genuine fan. So I felt. So then I thought, okay, if I don't want to be a celebrity, but if some kid who is 2 years old or 5 years old likes my music and they want to say, I like Saga Maga, I will give that child a chance to express that to me, which is not me being nice to the child, it's me being nice to me when I was a child, which I did not get, because I could not tell Kishore Kumar or Mohammad Rafi or so many people what I felt I could not tell. So if somebody else tells me and they get pleasure, I am very receptive.
Im